How to crop images in Figma. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about Figma. Now first, we're going to add an image to our canvas over here. To add an image, you're simply going to click on this button over here on the top, and then you're going to click on place image or video. And then you're going to select the image that you are going to use. You're going to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, the image is attached to my cursor. So we're simply going to drag it into our canvas just like this. Now, as you can see, when you move this around, it's going to automatically adjust. Sometimes it's not going to show you what you would like. As you can see, for example, we would like to have this design, but we are not able to see the face. So what you're going to do to be able to crop this and adjust is go here on the right side on the design and click on the image under the fill over here, and you're going to click on fill in this section and change it to crop. Now over here, we will be able to crop our image. You can simply drag it over here just like that. And you can also drag and crop it by clicking on the sections over here on the right. And after that, you're simply going to do that. And as you can see, we are now able to crop our image. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.